Hi guys, this is Hassan and this is our second tutorial video, and today we will learn how to do the inward K snare. So let's jump right in. Okay, first you need to know how you want to put your tongue in your mouth, the position of your tongue. Okay, put your tongue covering the top of your mouth so air doesn't come in. It will look like this, and then make an opening. It's either left or right, and suck the air right in as hard as you can, and it will look like this. And then comes the trickiest part. Okay, the trickiest part is how to control it so that it will sound crispy, like you want it. So it will sound like this. Okay, so that's all. And here are two trading beats for you guys. The first one is second one. So that's all for today. See you next time.